Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech, and in this tutorial I will guide you through how to set up Safe Tunnel VPN for all countries and on all networks and on all devices. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and if you get any problem, the comment section is open, so you can give us some tips, you can give us some you can also bring to us. Feel free to do anything in the comment section, provided that you are following the community guidelines. Don't commit unnecessary information. That is it. Let us continue. Like the video and then open Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store you're going to search for Safe Tunnel VPN. Take note of that app icon, and then take note of the app name, the developer's name. Download, and then after downloading, install, and then after installing, open. Now once you open, you're going to allow for us the notification permission. You're going to allow the location permission. That is the only thing. And then after allowing those permissions, we're going to be requested to join the Telegram channel, and then you join. Now keeping in mind that our tutorials, including this one, for informational, research, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, any service provider terms and conditions, and in the community guidelines. That is it. Now, we're going to start up by updating the servers. And then once you update the servers, give the process of updating like a maximum of 10 seconds. Once those 10 seconds elapse without seeing the no update available, this information, you try to check right here where you see the updates. You try to check right there. If you don't see that message, check there, and then we're going to come where you see the auto select server. Now we are seeing these servers there. We are seeing these servers. As you see them, have those servers. I'm seeing 10 servers. But these servers, they include a V3 server, but they are all fast and stable. But I recommend you guys to choose a server from your country, or that is near to your country, or you can follow up with my tutorial, and then you will never regret. We're going to come where we have auto select server, and then once you choose the auto select server, we're going to go to the last step, which is this one. During the last step, you're going to try to be seeing those servers. Now, if you're not from Uganda, you're going to come right there, and then you're going to be seeing all those servers. But we're going to scroll down as you see, and then choose your country's server. As you see those servers, choose a server from your country. You can also try to search, but I have those members that their countries support the UDP. Now for you guys, you're going to do this. You're going to come right there in the search bar and type in UDP. You'll be seeing that list of UDP servers from different countries. You can choose your country, or you can connect to mine, and then you will never regret the all country UDP. Then press the start. First, wait, I want to show my viewers, I don't want to skip any, and then connect where I'm taking. Just tap there, and then after, accept the connection request, and then give it some few seconds to connect. But it may fail to connect, and these are the troubleshooting steps you're going to be following. It has connected successfully as for my phone, but for some devices they may follow up those procedures and it fails to connect. These are the troubleshooting methods. If it fails to connect, we're going to do this. We're going to try to clear the app data, turn on airplane mode and then off. You can also try to restart your device and clear the app cake. That is it. Let us meet the upcoming tutorials. I sign out.